You notice a whole bunch of them came out and the whole bunch is coming back. See that? Now there are a lot of them. Earlier, lagi nggak ada burung. Sekarang sekali balik semua balik nih. Sekali pergi semua pergi. Interesting, huh? They're coming back. See that? I'm right in on top of them and they can poop on you though. So watch out. And they're coming back. They come in wave. See this? See that? Tuh, lihat tuh how. Lihat tuh how. Seberapa puluh tuh how. Oke. Alright. Tuh ada yang hinggap di tembok tuh, lihat nggak tuh? Oh, isn't that nice? Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Ah, luar biasa. Amazing, isn't it? Birds of the air. And this is where they live. Lay eggs, and they weren't here. I guess a year and a half, 2 years ago, they weren't here. They just came here. Alright. Look at it. Isn't that nice? Alright, bye. Just came back from Nico Nico Sushi. And tomorrow we're gonna go to the doctor. Bye-bye.